Mariner 4 was launched from Cape Canaveral on November 28, 1964. After a 7.5-month journey, it arrived at Mars on July 14, 1965. It took photographs and sent back other information about Mars. We can see from this newsreel how much things have changed.
Tracking stations were the cogs that made one of man's most ambitious scientific experiments an overwhelming success. As Mariner 4 passed over Mars, it recorded on tape tiny bits of information to transmit back to Earth. Engineers manning tracking stations like this one in Spain picked up the radio signal sent out by the speeding satellite. As the Earth revolved and the station passed out of sight of Mariner, another took over and received another piece of the same picture. Each picture, actually 40,000 tiny dots ranging from white to deepest black, was transmitted as 240,000 bits of computer code. Because of the great distance, 135 million miles in space, the signals reaching the tracking station were no stronger than 1/billionth of 1/billionth of a watt. These had to be amplified 1,000 times to be recorded. From tracking stations, the first pictures were transmitted to California headquarters by teletype. The final results, in simple form, are like the pictures in your newspaper, made up of dots called a half-tone. They can show each gradation of light and shadow. "21 pictures were transmitted by Mariner 4, and they raised much of the veil of secrecy that shrouds outer space. As the computers continued to receive pictures, experts began to evaluate the results, and they came to some conclusions that threw a new light on the planet. The pictures show that Mars is pocked by craters caused by crashing asteroids and space debris.